Hello everyone and welcome. Usually I'm going to walk you through how to delete autofill from data. Now let's say you're tired of the data that you've put in your autofill form showing up all the time and you want to delete it. It's quite simple. From your Opera GM homepage, you look at the sidebar here, left sidebar, and make sure the gear icon is showing. In case it's not showing, click on the three dots at the bottom to open up this menu, that is sidebar panel settings menu, and then you scroll down and make sure the settings is turned on here. Then you can now go back to the gear icon, click on it, and then scroll all the way down until you see delete browsing data. Click on delete browsing data, and if normally to show as basic, so what you do is that you click on advanced, and then you can see autofill from data, and then you can click on delete. But before you click on delete, you can also decide the time when you want to delete: last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. Choose the one you want, and then once you're through, click on delete data. It is as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.